Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Samsung Keyboard is the active input method. Open Settings and verify it. Have the wallpaper image ready in Gallery so you can pick it immediately. Next, open any app with a text field, tap the keyboard, and then the gear icon to enter keyboard settings. This step gets you directly into the customization area, so you waste no time. Once done, you'll be ready to choose themes or keyboard toolbar options to add a background image. Now you pick the background. Tap Themes or Background within Samsung Keyboard settings and choose the Wallpaper or Image option. Select your photo from Gallery, then crop to the keyboard's aspect so important visual elements stay clear. Make sure to preview how keys overlay the image, decrease opacity, or add a subtle blur if letters become hard to read. Also adjust key borders or icon color so contrast remains strong. This ensures both aesthetics and finish by saving the background and immediately testing typing in different apps to confirm the look and responsiveness. If letters are difficult to see, reduce image saturation, increase key opacity, or pick a simpler crop. Legibility matters more than flair. If the wallpaper fails to apply, make sure the keyboard app is up to date, clear its cache in Settings apps, and reboot the phone. If problems persist, temporarily switch input methods to force a refresh, and then reselect Samsung Keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.